Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have to share an update on my newest purchase. So if you're here to see what Miss Tamika is talking about, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. We are so close to 8,000, you all, so please go on and click that subscribe button, because I love for you all to stick around and click on that button down below. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. And I tell you, I have been talking about this bag non-stop, and it's newest thing on the Louis Vuitton website far as a hard to get item. And the reason for this here video, because my previous video, I will insert it up here in the cards. I wanted to kind of like update you all regarding this here bag, because I wanted to dedicate a video on this particular bag, because I was thinking about taking it to the Louis Vuitton store, and I'm gonna tell you why. Sure, what may happen. So and because I wanted to get your thoughts, because I was thinking of taking this to the Louis Vuitton store, and I'm gonna tell you why. If you follow me for a while, I purchased a Gucci bag from, of course, the Gucci website, and a wallet in that bag because it had the microfiber in the inside. Of course, it was light, getting a stain on the bag, and it was within my year warranty or whatever to the Gucci store. And when I tell you, Gucci customer service is 10 out of 10, like 10 out of 10. It was my fault, but I took it in just to see what they can do for me, because again, these bags are not cheap. Anything you purchase usually come with like a warranty, or purchase a refrigerator, you got like I think a year or a few months warranty, or whatever the case is. So I was like, it don't hurt to try, because all they can do is say yes or no. Left it there. They took it in to repair. When it came back, something told me to check my bag. I checked my bag, just trying to scrub the stain, because the stain was like faded, but you could see like a wet ring around the stain. They tried to just like, you know, scrub it with some type of solution. Work. So I happened to show the sales associate. I was like, hey, you know, look at my bag. It looked worse than what it was. They gifted me a brand new bag on the spot. The old bag, went in the bag, grabbed a new one, wrapped it all up as if I just purchased it, and I walked out with a brand new bag. Now, prior to that, I did have to wait, like, I think I want to say about 2 weeks for my bag to come in. Today, I walked out with a brand new Gucci bag, and I haven't worn that bag since. So it's still packaged as if it was brand new out the store. That's why I was thinking of going into the Louis Vuitton store. Now, I know with this particular item, it's hard to find. Like, they can't go in the back and grab it. Thinking maybe they can rip the interior of the inside of this bag and replace it or something. I should go into a Louis Vuitton store to see what they can do, because like I said, all they can do is say yes or no. I'm not going to be, you know, I'll be happy if they can do something, but if not, you know, of course I know it's my fault, just like I knew the Gucci situation was like my fault. But like I said, Gucci customer service was 10 out of 10. They replaced my bag with a brand new bag. So with that situation, it was a Kate Spade wallet. I would never put that Kate Spade wallet in none of my bags ever again, because one of the updates I wanted to share with you all, I just wanted to know your thoughts. Like, would you go to the Louis Vuitton store to see what they can do? Because like I said, I did just purchase the bag, so it's kind of within the warranty window. A lot of comments stating that I can get a organizer, so I'm not sure what websites. So I'll probably head to the comments to see what websites I could order from organizers, and then I don't. So, but since the stain is already there, it's like, do I really need an organizer? I have had this bag for like a month now, and let me just say, bag for a month, because when I first purchased the bag, it was kind of like stiff, where I felt like I couldn't put a lot in here, and that's why I kind of like downsize a lot of my items in this particular bag. And since I've been wearing it non-stop, it has loosened up to the point where I can really stuff the bag like I want to now. I don't know, for some reason when I first got the bag, I felt like I couldn't put a lot in here. Change my wallet, I had to change the items that I carry in this particular bag. But now, real stretchy, like I can like really pull it open to like put stuff in here. I'm excited about that. So if you do have the bag and you just got it, give the bag some time, because this here will loosen up to the point where it will, you know, stretch out a little more, where you can kind of like stuff more in it. Because I was like, damn, I can't fit, you know, I can't fit everything I want in here. But like I said, give the bag some time. It will loosen up. Really quick, I'll just go through what's in here, because I am doing a update on this here video. Hope y'all not getting tired of seeing the bag. I'm just excited about the bag and the hot item right now, so I'm just enjoying the wave. So my last video for now. If I do update another video, it'll be updating you all on what I ended up doing. I just have to get down to Lenox Small, because I was going to call, but I was like, I'd rather just go in, because you just never know who could help you. So I'd rather go in than call, because that's what I did to my Gucci situation. I just went in and, you know, explained my situation, and they was able to take care of me. So here's the inside. Like I said, it's really, like, it really opens. So a lot in here now. I did get some on the go toothpicks, because I always need some, and I'm always carrying them in like a little sandwich bag. And I saw this at Walmart the other day, and it was like 97 cents. I was like, oh, perfect, I get to take my toothpicks with me, because I usually buy the big bag from Target or Dollar Tree. I have my, oh my gosh, you all, Summer Fridays came out with a holiday set. Are from their original collection, but this one here is the iced coffee. Oh my gosh. And Summer Fridays, y'all know what y'all doing, because y'all could have sold this separately. Like, I didn't want to buy the whole set. I think the whole set is like $50. I didn't need the whole set, because it's like vanilla and cherry. I don't like cherry, but in order to get the iced coffee, you had to buy the whole set. It gets you. So I ended up paying $50, and I only wanted this one. So I'll probably give the other two to my daughter, or whoever wants one. But yeah, that's how they get you. But this iced coffee, oh my gosh, you all, it smells so good. It kind of smells like scotch, but oh my gosh, I love to wear this on my lips, because I'm smelling like that butterscotch iced coffee type situation. Oh my gosh, you all, I will link this hair set down below, because the Sephora sale is coming up. Gosh, you all, you cannot buy this separately. You have to buy the set. So Summer Fridays, if you listening, put it separately, because I would buy another one, but I'm not buying another set. Like, I refuse to. But yeah, this is the wallet I ended up switching into. This is the Louis Vuitton men's wallet. But like I was saying, when I first packed my bag, I had a hard time fitting like my Chanel wallet and a few other items. So I ended up having to pull out all my SLGs to figure out what wallet would fit perfectly in this bag. This is the one that I was able to fit perfectly inside of my bag and still have room. Card slots here, and you have like your 2 slots here, and this is a place where you can like store extra cards. And this is where I store my most used card, which is the Sam's Club, because I have Sam's Club, and I also have Costco's, and I have BJ's. But I go to Sam's a lot more than Costco. I still have my key pouch, and I did get the 6 key ring holder. I don't need 6 keys, to be honest, but I just didn't like the small one. I had got a car wash the other day. Christian Dior lotion. Is it worth the $60? Absolutely not. But of course I got it because it's Christian Dior, and we do sell it at Sephora. And Fenty came out with some holiday sets, and she came out with a new lip, which is the Melon Treat. This goes along with the skincare, the cherry lip treat, and of course you can't get the mint treat without purchasing the full set. So I had to purchase the cherry again to get this. So I gifted the cherry to my friend's daughter because it was her birthday. So I was like, you know, I didn't need another cherry because I already have one. I just wanted the new sauce, like I said, is the melon treat. And I will try and link this down below as well because I do like this. It kind of reminds you of the Dior lip oils. A little sticky, but you know, I'm here to support my girl Riri. My pill holder, and y'all know how I feel about my lip balm. Hands down my favorite. I did get this at Target, but I did hear that they do sell this at CVS. I haven't seen this at CVS, but like I said, I got mine at Target. YouTube, I had someone ask me why I carry so many mirrors. I don't have an answer to that. I just carry them because I like mirrors, because this one is cute. You just never know when you may need an extra mirror for something. But this one is more so like a lip mirror. And then I have my Chanel blotting sheets. My Chanel blotting sheets. If you don't own no blotting sheets, girl, what you doing? Because, honey, you need some blotting sheets just to like blot your makeup to make sure you stay in place. And then I have my Kilian fragrance that I got from the cosmetic company store. When I tell you I love this case, like, oh my gosh, we do sell the refills, so if I don't catch them at the cosmetic company store, I'll probably have purchased my refills from Sephora. But I do have an extra set of 2 refills, so, and I don't wear this as much because I have a whole lot of other fragrance, but I just like to carry this just in case I forget to spray something. I have my gum. I need to refill it because it's a little low. Hermes lip balm, like I said, I carry because we don't carry that Sephora, and I get to throw this in my purse because I'm that person that has to have something for my lips no matter where I'm at. Here in the back, this is where I have my extra Chanel mirror, and it to my house key because, like I said, I'll just instead of constantly pulling out my key fob, I'll just grab this from the back, and it's a lot easier for me to maneuver versus having to always pull out that key fob. I like this a lot better, and it's a Mickey Mouse key. I think we got this when we went to Disney. I think maybe 2 years ago when I went with the grandkids. Well, not all of the grandkids, but 2 of the grandkids. I have my strap. Like the strap, but like I said, I do wish it would have been darker because the Louis Vuitton straps are not something that I can see me purchasing like that. Now, I haven't looked at the price because I refuse to pay like $1,000 for a Louis Vuitton strap, but are under like 500 maybe. But if they over 500, close to 1,000, absolutely not. Like, absolutely not. Love to invest in another strap because, like I said, this here is light because I just feel like if it starts to look dingy, it'll just, I don't know, ruin the look of the bag. I don't know, y'all. But oh my gosh, y'all, look at the inside of my bag. You know what? My daughter has a to-go tie pin. I had one, but I don't remember where I put it. I may try and use that. But the way this hair stain is, I don't think it's coming out. So that's why I said I think I may just go to the Louis Vuitton store and see what they can do. All they can do is say yes or no. So update it regarding that. So good. With this hair bag, you do have to give it some time because, like I said, when I first purchased the bag, I wasn't 100%. But now I am in love with the bag. Like, I also love this about the bag because I know a lot of people didn't care for the luggage tag in the front, but I like the luggage tag. It off, and I will show you how it looks off, and I'm gonna show you how much the bag patina, because see if you can see on this side like how light it is. This is the back side and this is the front, so you can see that it has darkened a lot. And oh my gosh, you all, it's like the perfect patina. Like, oh my goodness, you all, I love the way this bag has darkened. Like, oh my gosh. Bags, again, let me know down below your thoughts. Did y'all, you know, did you love the bag as much as I do? Because like I said, I do love this hair bag. See how I packed the bag. I still have room for more if I wanted to put more in here. After doing this video, I may change out what's in here and maybe carry like a little pouch to put my lip glosses and stuff in here, so that won't happen again. Because like I said, I had a Chanel in here, and it's crazy because the outside of the Chanel lip gloss wasn't sticky, like as if it, like, you know how when your lip gloss bleed, it like sticky around the edges. It wasn't like that. So I don't know, use my Prada pouch, that little small pouch, and put like all my lip products in here and place that in the inside of this instead of my Louis Vuitton pochette, because I do have the pochette, and I did see people put the pochette in here, but I don't know if I want to use my pochette for my catch-all, because only thing I want to put in like a little pouch is like my lip products, just so I won't have that issue. Because like I said, if I put the pouch in here, as you can see, I do have room for the pouch. So we're going out today, so I may like I said, pull the pouch out and see how it can fit in here with everything. Oh my gosh, you all, it's so squishy. Saying that if within time, are they going to have to worry about cracking issues? So hopefully that's not the case, because I do feel that it's like real pillowy, if that makes sense. So if that's why they made the bag like that, for you not to have to worry about creasing and cracking, do place the bag like crossbody. It's been like this to the side, so I don't know if that's why they made it the way it is, to keep it from cracking. Start cracking, she will go right back to Louis Vuitton, because now that is not a Miss Tamika thing, that's a Louis Vuitton thing. But I really think Louis Vuitton fixed that whole cracking situation. That's why the bag is made the way it is, but I could be wrong. Time we will see. So if this here review, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. Being said, you all, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.